everyone, I am Deepthi and I'm here to tell you about the Arctic Fox Look Anti-Theft Backpack. This multifunctional laptop bag is perfect for organizing your electronics and simplifying your life on the go. This Slope Anti-Theft Backpack is designed with a tech-inspired look and features a range of updates to keep your essentials secure. It has an anti-theft design with a hidden zipper on the main pocket, a USB charging port, and a water bottle pouch. The backpack is made of water-repellent fabric, so you don't have to worry about water splashes or rain. It also has a spacious compartment and is 47 by 29 by 17 centimeter in size with a capacity of 23 liters. So if you're looking for a secure and stylish laptop bag, the Arctic Fox Look Anti-Theft Backpack is the perfect choice for you. Go get yours now.
Bags and luggage come in a wide variety of styles, each with its own unique features and advantages. Let's start with bags. Tote bags. Tote bags are versatile bags that are perfect for carrying everyday essentials. They are usually made of sturdy materials like canvas, leather, or nylon and feature open-top designs with one or two shoulder straps. Satchel bags. Satchel bags are structured bags that are perfect for work or formal occasions. They typically feature a flap closure and a top handle, and they may also come with a shoulder strap for added convenience. Shoulder bags. Shoulder bags are a popular choice for those who prefer a hands-free option. These bags have a long strap that is worn over the shoulder and can be adjusted to fit your body. Crossbody bags. Crossbody bags are similar to shoulder bags, but they have a longer strap that allows the bag to rest at the hip or waist. They are a great choice for those who want to keep their hands free while still carrying their essentials. Backpacks. Backpacks are a practical choice for those who need to carry a lot of items. They are designed to evenly distribute the weight across your back, making them a great option for students, travelers, and hikers. Clutch bags. Clutch bags are small and compact bags that are perfect for formal events or evenings out. They are usually held in the hand and have no straps or handles. Clutch bags can be made of different materials including leather, suede, and velvet, and often feature embellishments like sequins or beads. When it comes to buying luggage, there are very few factors to be considered. Material. Luggage can be made of different materials including hard shell, soft shell, and hybrid materials. Hard shell luggage is more durable and provides better protection for your belongings. Soft shell luggage is lightweight and flexible, making it easy to store in tight spaces, but it may not offer as much protection. Hybrid luggage combines the best of both worlds with a hard shell exterior and a soft interior. Style. There are different styles of luggage to choose from, including carry-on, checked, and spinner luggage. Carry-on luggage is designed to fit in the overhead bin and is ideal for short trips. Checked luggage is larger and must be checked in at the airport, making it suitable for longer trips. Spinner luggage has 4 wheels that allow you to easily navigate through the airport, but it can be heavier than the other types of luggage. Size. Carry-on luggage should typically be no larger than 22 inches in length, while checked luggage can be ranged from 24 to 32 inches. By considering these factors, you can make an informed decision when buying your preferred bags and luggage.